Hi guys, here 9 square is 81 minus 9. Here this is 2 times 2 whole power 2. This is 72 times, here it is 2 times 2 is 4 square. Now 72 times, this is 4 square is 16. Now 72 times 16 is 1152 is the wrong answer. As per the order of operations, this 1152 is the wrong answer. Now we are going to introduce here pandas rule to solve this problem in correct way. Here this is a bracket, exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. We are going to introduce another rule called left to right to solve this equal priority. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operation. As per the order of operation pandas, the bracket is higher priority. So 9 power 2 minus 9. Here we have division and multiplication. Both are equal priority. We have to follow here left to right. Here left to right is this. So this is 2 times 2 whole power 2. Now the bracket is 9 square minus 9 times, this is 4 square. Now we have next priority is exponent. We have exponent here, which is 9 square is 81 minus 9 times, this is exponent is 16. Now we have here subtraction and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this subtraction. So we have to do this before this subtraction. Here 81 minus, this is 144. Now this 81 minus 144 is negative 63 is the right answer.